Hello, my name is Nikhil Subramanian, serial number 52, slot C1, registration number 18BEC0711. The paper I have chosen is the implementation of high-speed floating point dot product unit based on Vedic maths. This paper was published in the International Journal and Magazine of Engineering and Technology Management and Research in the year 2015, December. This paper is about changing the way the multiplication is done in the devices, in the microcontrollers. 8051 initially used the IEEE standard 5754 floating point multiplicator, which is very common these days to multiply real number in computers. The multiplication is generally done by Booth's algorithm in 8051, but this algorithm is to improve the speed and not of the dot product unit only. This speed can be increased by incorporating Vedic maths into algorithms. The diagrams here, which are present in the assignment, are drawn using Lucidchart, an online free flowchart making website. So the existing architecture discussed in the paper. This is a a flowchart of the Booth's algorithm, which takes in 32-bit input and gives out a 32-bit output. The tabulated results of the graph. This paper, which I've chosen, has no data or results. So I have plotted a graph of the inputs and outputs of a Vedic math multiplier as given. Truth table of multiplier is given in the document and its corresponding graph is given on top. Red indicates the input, green indicates the carry, and S, the blue color, indicates the output, where A0 and A1 are 2-bit inputs. It's a 2-bit input, two 2-bit inputs, A1, A0, B1, B0. Where B0 is the unit place of the B number, and B1 is the tens place of the unit number. B1, B0, A1, A0. When multiplied using Vedic algorithm, you get the output S0, S1, S2 with a carry. Carry is one only in the final stage, whereas S0, S1, S2 give various answers, as shown in the truth table. Fourth question: draw the proposed architecture in the paper. This is also drawn using Lucidchart, where A1, A0 is one number and B1, B0 is another number. Colors is used to indicate which input is given to which because of a lot of crisscrossing happening between the inputs. And this uses only AND gates and one bit full adder, whereas the Booth's algorithm uses many other components like aligning, multiplier tree, carry select adder, complementing, normalizing, LGN, etc. To draw the transistor level diagram, the proposed architecture shows that this Vedic algorithm uses AND gate and one bit full adder. So in the transistor level diagram section, I have drawn the diagrams, the internal transistor level diagrams of one bit full adder, which is drawn using which is drawn using Circuit Labs, where during the free subscription period, and the AND gate using Multisim. In this, the point which says out is where the output will be taken, and the grounding is put because Multisim doesn't allow open-ended bias. So the grounding needs to be removed, and then the point which shows the out, that port will be used as the output, whereas A and B are the inputs, and A1, B1 are the other two inputs. So it's A0 and B0. Sorry, A and A1 are the same term, and B, B1 are the same term. Since Multisim doesn't allow you to name 2 points of the same thing, it's given A1, A and B1, B. So comparison of the proposed architecture with the existing. The old architecture has a lot of sensing and shifting, whereas the Vedic multiplier does not require sensing and shifting, or it just uses a couple of full adders and AND gates to complete the process and get solution. The advantages of the proposed design over the old one. It is faster, it takes less number of loops to solve it, and it is done just by passing through the whole flowchart once. Whereas in Booth's algorithm, it takes a number of cycles to finish it. Whereas in Vedic multiply, it just goes through the flowchart once and the solution is calculated. The merits and demerits of the proposed technique. The merits are the speed of calculation is very high and the required area of is small for small bit multiplication. Demerits are for higher bit multiplication, the circuit becomes very complex and the chip area becomes more due to its complexity. So the applications for this Vedic multiplier is it is used in FFT to we used to calculate FFT in DSP quickly. It's it provides universal multiplication in the low power high speed with low power and high speed. Its application is in SoC design as technology scales. So SoC means system on chip design, and it is used as a public key cryptography. The final diagram is to draw a flow chart proposed in the design. This is also done using Lucidchart. Start it starts and then it takes 4-bit inputs, which is A B, which is two numbers A and B. Here A1 A0 A1 denotes one number, A2 A3 denotes another number. Both are put through an AND gate to give S0 and S1, and then S0 and S1 is added to give process C0 C1 and C2, and the result is obtained. Thank you.